Hello viewers, I hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Study for Competitive. I am Shankar and now I am going to discuss the important current events of 1st August. If you don't subscribe my channel still now, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon. So without wasting a little time, let's start. First, we will discuss about important day. On the occasion of first anniversary of lawmaking Triple Talaq, a criminal offence which got presidential note last year after getting approval from the parliament, the day 1st August is declared as the Muslim Women's Rights Day across the country. Next, System Administration Appreciation Day is observed on last Friday of July, and this year in 2020 it falls on 31st July. Next, we will discuss about national. Bijapur district in Chhattisgarh has topped the list of aspirational district in overall Delta ranking by government think tank Niti Aayog for the February to June 2020 period. Ribui in Meghalaya and Baharaj in Uttar Pradesh placed second and third position. Next, former Jammu Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti preventive detention was extended for another 3 months under Public Safety Act. The Public Safety Act of Jammu and Kashmir is a defensive detention law which allows the administration to take a person into custody to prevent him or her from acting in any matter that is prejudicial to the security of the state or maintenance of the public order. Next, the discussion topic is international. Ivory Coast Defense Minister Hamed Bakayoko has been named as the new Prime Minister of the country. He was presently serving as the interim Prime Minister of Ivory Coast, and the President of Ivory Coast is Alassane Ouattara. Next, India's Reliance Power and Japan's JERA will develop a new gas-fired power generation project in Bangladesh through their project company. In this joint venture of Reliance and JERA will be building and operating 745 megawatt natural gas combined cycle power project in Meghnaghat and Naranganj in Bangladesh. Next, for the first time in a landmark move to project independent journalism, Australia will force US tech, Facebook and Google to pay Australia media publisher for news content. Next, Russia became the first nation in the world to successfully complete the human trials of COVID vaccine. Now, Russia is planning a mass vaccination campaign against novel coronavirus in October 2020. This was announced by Russian Health Minister Mikhail Murashko. And regarding the vaccine has been created by Gamaleya Institute in Moscow. Next, we will look into the topic of obituary. Former Taiwanese President Lee Teng-hui passed away. He served as president of the country from 1988 to 2000. He was also considered as the father of Taiwan democracy, and the present president of Taiwan is Tsai Ing-wen. Next, we will discuss about sports. The Union Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports on Friday came up with a selection committee for selecting awardees for various sports awards for the year 2020. And the awards includes Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Dronacharya Awards, Arjuna Awards, Dhyan Chand Awards, Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puruskar Awards, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy. Next, we will discuss about meeting. The 6th BRICS Environment Minister meeting was held under the presidency of Russia. All environment ministers of BRICS countries participated in this meeting. From Indian side, Union Minister of Environment Sri Prakash Javadekar was present in this meeting, and India will host 7th BRICS Environment Minister meeting in 2021. Next, we will discuss about our state, Tripura. Dr. Alind Rastogi, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Force and the head of Forest Force, appointed as Chairman of Tripura Public Service Commission. Next, Power Department of Tripura has established a Smart Customer Care Center for queries of customer. The center was inaugurated by Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura, Jishnu Dev. Finally, we have come to the end of the video. If you want PDF of this video, please go to my site www.studyforcompetitive.weebly.com. So, like my video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.